Hello students, in the last lecture we learned how to calculate the routing table by each node, right? In the second step is the nodes share their routing table with the neighbor ones. So N1 is going to share its routing table with N2. N1 is shared with its routing table with N2. N2 will share its routing table with N1, N5 and N3. N3 will share its routing table with N4, N2. N4 will share its routing table with N5, N3. Right? So and finally N5 will share its routing table with N4 and N2. So these nodes will share the routing table with their respective directly connected neighbors only. After sharing the routing table, they will update their routing table with respect to their own routing table as well as their neighbor routing table. Let's take an example. N1, how N1 will update its routing table. Right? Who is the direct neighbor of N1? N2. N2 is the direct neighbor of N1. N1 routing table is this one. Right? Or this is the distance vector, the second one. Second column is distance. Its full name is distance vector. The distance vector of N2 is 1, 0, 6, infinity, 3. How new table will be created? It will create a new table with the help of its own routing table as well as with the neighbor, that is N2 routing table or distance vector. Now it will see what is the distance between N1 to N1. The distance between N1 to N1 is 0, right? Now what is distance between N1 to N2? How it will calculate it? It will calculate the first distance between N1 to N2 from its own routing table. This is 1. And it will add this one after reaching to N2. It will search from the N2 table what is the distance between N2 to N2, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Similarly, the distance between N1 to N3. And the distance between N1 to N3 will be calculated like this. The distance between N1 to N2 is 1 and N2 to N3 is 6. It will comes 7. The distance between N1 to N4, right? N4. The distance between N1 to N2 is 1 and the distance between N2 to N4 is infinity. The final distance 1 plus infinity, anything plus infinity is infinity. Now the distance between N1 to N5 is, it will calculate like this, the distance between N1 to N2 and finally N2 to N5. The distance between N1 to N2 is 1 and the distance between N2 to N5 is 3. The final distance is 4. And this is the way how to update the routing table of a node. Similarly, all the nodes will update their routing table in the similar way. Thank you.